Hello everyone, I am again here. First of all, sorry for the inconvenience. For the calculation of x bar, we take a strip along y-axis, that is parallel to y-axis. This is rectangular strip taken parallel to y-axis. For the calculation of x bar, we take a rectangular strip parallel to y-axis, whereas for the calculation of y bar, we take a strip along x-axis, that is parallel to x-axis. Now move towards further calculation. Now calculation of area, that is A is equal to dA. Here this strip is rectangular strip, and for the area of rectangular strip we simply take L into B. Here L means L into B. If this is dx and y, then we can easily take the area as y into dx. Y into dx, simply from the concept of rectangular. Here curve starts from here and end here, that is starts from here and end here, means we can take here as 0 to not 0, because it is not originated from origin, that is O. Starting point is here and ending point is here. It means it starts from A and end to A. That is, we can take easily here A to A. Simply use the concept of integration. A to A. Here y can be replaced by here equation of curve, so we can easily replace y as b by a cube x minus a to the power cube and dx. By further calculation of this integration, we can easily get on solving we get area A is equal to AB by 4. Now for the calculation of x bar, now to calculate x bar, we know x bar is equal to x dA divided by A. That is, we can easily put here A means AB by 4. X area can be replaced by y dx divided by AB by 4, which means 4 by AB. Here it starts from A to 2A. X y can be replaced by b by a cube x minus a cube dx. Now on moving towards further calculation, finally we get x bar is equal to 9 by 5a. Now similarly we can calculate the value of y bar. For the calculation of y bar, we takes a strip along x axis, that is parallel to x axis. Here similarly for the calculation of y bar, we take a strip parallel to x axis. We can calculate this taking only one strip, but for simplicity we take a strip along x axis and y axis. Here now we know y bar is equal to y dA divided by A. Here A can be replaced by AB by 4, and directly I am going to write here 4 by AB 0 to B y dA means x into dy, because here a strip is taken along x axis, that is parallel to x axis, which means simply the area of rectangle is L into B, that is x into dy, that is x into, if it is dy and x, simply we can write here x into dy. It starts from 0 and ends at B, which means here we can put 0 to B. Y can be replaced here by x into x minus a to the power cube b by a to the power cube into dy. Here we have to integrate with respect to y, so we can't replace here y by this. We have to convert x into y. So now I am going to convert this into y. That is, we can write here 4 by AB 0 to B y into x can be replaced by a plus y to the power 1 by cube divided by k to the power 1 by cube, that is dy. Here a plus y to the power 1 by 3 divided by k to the power 1 by 3 is nothing, that's the value of x. We replaced here x by y. Simply here y is equal to k x minus a to the power 3. We have to replace here x by y, that is y by k is equal to x minus a to the power cube, or x minus a is equal to y to the power cube divided by k to the power cube, that is x is equal to a here minus, that's if you go on right side then it will be becomes positive, that is a plus y to the power 1 by 3 k to the power 1 by 3. That's why we replaced here x by this. Now For further calculation here, 4 by AB 0 to B y a plus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 3 y 4 by 3 k to the power 1 by 3, that is dy. Also 4 by AB, that is, now we are going to integrate it. If we integrate y with respect to dy, it will becomes y square a divided by 2 plus, if we integrate y to the power 4 by 3 with respect to dy, it will becomes 4 by 3 plus 1, that is 7 by 3. Y to the power 7 by 3 divided by 7 by 3 into k to the power 1 by 3, that is from 0 to b. 4 by AB y square a, if we moves towards further calculation, that is b square a divided by 2 plus 3b to the power 7 by 3 divided by 7 k to the power 3. Final minus initial, if we put instead of y 0, that it will becomes 0. Also 4 by AB, if we calculate it replacing the value of k, here b square a divided by 2 3b 7 by 3 7, instead of k we can put here b by a cube to the power 3. So finally we get, from simple calculation, we get y bar is equal to 26 divided by 7b. Hence x bar, y bar is equal to x bar, the value of x bar is 9 by 5a, and value of y bar is 26 by 7b. Now in this way we can calculate the centroid by direct integration method. Thank you. In this way we can calculate x bar and y bar. Thank you.